So you are interested in Mueller Austria Ultra Stick 500? No doubt it is a wise choice and it is one of the top 5 hand blenders on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 hand blenders, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the Mueller Austria Ultra Stick 500. The affordable and likable Mueller Austria Ultra Stick 500 doesn't disappoint on value, features, or performance. The Mueller Ultra Stick 500 can be used to make delicious treats. It can also be used for chopping and making cocktails and much more. It's designed and engineered to outlast and outperform the competition. Comfortable and easy to use, makes all your mixing and blending tasks easier than ever. It is one countertop appliance with limitless options and versatility. The blending arm reaches perfectly into deeper pots. Let you blend, puree, and crush with ease. 9 speeds provide control for food, such as smoothies, soups, or baby food. The blending arm and whisk twist off for quick and easy cleanup. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.